Hi children, today we are discussing about the Roman numbers. Already three properties I explained. Means in this, the new Roman numbers is more, don't repeat it more than 3 times, and if the bigger value, in Roman numbers bigger value, left side of it the smaller value is there, the number should be subtracted from the bigger value. If the smaller value is right side of the bigger value, then the value should be added to the bigger value. Okay, this is the three properties. Again, one more the thing, the symbol VLD, the symbols are VLD, won't repeat it. Okay, won't repeat it. Again, only one time we will write. Then next one, these three symbols are never subtracted from the anywhere. Okay, this is the VLD. Again, IVX, these symbols are only subtracted from the others, bigger values. The next L and C, if their X is subtracted from L and C. This is the rules. Now, how to write the numerical numbers? If Roman numbers if we give, we should write the numerical numbers. Then if the numbers is high, he gave the Roman numbers, we will write the numerical numbers. First of all, see the children, first X means it will be becoming, it will be become 10. Then 2x are there, it will be 10 plus 10 is a 20. X means it will be 20. X 10 plus 10, it will be becoming 30. It will be become 30. Next one, X 10 plus 10. Okay, according to the rule, the numbers should be, Roman numbers are won't repeat it 4 times, more than 3 times. VX, okay, IVX is won't repeat it. Okay, more than XIC, we won't repeat it more than 3 times. This is the wrong. Then we have to write as L is a 50. Then we have to, how much we should decrease? 50 minus 10, it will be become 40. Then see children, here bigger value is there, subtraction it will be, if the smaller value, which side we have to write? Left side of the bigger value. The left side of the bigger value, it will become here, is a 10, it will be X. XL, it will be become a 40. XL value is a 40. Next equal L it will be become 50. Then LX, L means 50 plus X means 10, both it will be 60. Okay, now next one, LXX, then L value 50 plus 10 plus 10, total is a 70. Total is a how much? 70. Now see children, LXXX, then 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 10, 80. 70 plus 10, 80. Now see here, 3 already over. Then we can't repeat it one more time to X. Now which one is there? Next number, next to in Roman numbers, next value is this one, C. See children, now we have to write 80. It will be become 90. 90 means what? We have to write as 100 minus 10. 90 is goes to 100 minus 10. See children, then here C is there, then the subtraction symbol is there. Subtraction symbol, the smaller value it's having, then the number should be bigger value of left side of the bigger value. Smaller value you have to write left side of the bigger value. Say C here C is there, next one it will be become 10. 10 is a what? Here we have to write subtraction to the x. Okay, x c, it will be become 90, then c is equal 100. Like this we have to write to the Roman numbers. Is the children understood? First x is 10, x is 20, then x it will be become 30. The next xl is a 50 minus 10. We have to write 40 because of we can't repeat it more than 3 times in the Roman numbers. That's why this is the wrong. Observe it. X. This is the wrong. XL is a correct procedure of the writing Roman numerical writing to the 40. Okay, children. Next one. L is 50. L is equal to 50. Direct symbol is there. Next LX. LX meaning what? 50 plus 10. It will be become 60. Next one LXX 50 plus 10 plus 10 is a 70. The next LXXX it will be 10. 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal 80. Then 80 is, then we can't repeat it x more than 3 times. That's why 100 is subtracted from 10 is subtracted from 100. Then 100 value is C minus 10, it will be become a 90, then C is equal 100. This is the normal tens of the Roman numerical. Next, if the number it will be having numerical, how to write the Roman numbers? See children. For example, 21. 21 means we have to write 10 plus 1. See, addition means right side of the number 10 is equal to x, one more x, 1 is equal to I. This is x, I, it will be is a 21. Next to 27. 27 meaning what? 10 plus, then 7 meaning 5 plus 1 plus 1. 7 means 5 plus 1 plus 1. See here 10 plus 10, 20, 25 means what? Here 10 is equal to x, v, 1 is equal to I, 1 is equal to I. x, v, I is a 27. Okay, next one 29. 29 mean what? We have to write 10 plus. Next we can't write this one. 10, 9, how should write? 9. Since here x, 9 it will be become I like this. No, because of here I only 3 times repeated, we can't repeat it one more time. That's why how to write 9? How to write 9 meaning what? 9 should write 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 meaning what? 10. 10 is equal to x. Then x means subtraction means bigger number should be left side of the number. We have to write like this. 9 value is ix. Ix is a 9 value. Ix is a 9 value. This is the 29. Okay. Next one. 39. How to write 39? 39 how to write? See children. Same next one same also. X. 10 plus 10. 30 over plus 10 minus 1. 39. Okay. 10 plus 10, 30. 10 minus 1, 9. 39. See here 39. X. 10 minus 1 is x. Then ix. This is the 39. Then 40 how to write? 40 how to write here? 40 it will be become, won't write the x. Because of this is the 4 times is there, more than 3 times. That is the wrong. How I told 40 is become a xl. 40 is become a xl. Okay, next we have to write the 42, 48. How to write? I will say. For example, 44. 44 means 40 plus 4. 40 plus 4. This 4 also we can't write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. We can't write this is more than 3 times. This is not wrong. See 40 will be become a 4 become 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 5 is equal to b. Minus is there. Then keep a left side of the number. Then 40 means 40 I told xl xl I v. It will be become 44. XL is 40, IV is equal to 4. Nothing but total it will be become 44. Okay. Then next one 49. 49 means 40 plus 10 minus 1. Then 40 it will be XL. 10 minus 1 it will be IX. This is the 49. Okay children. How to write the if numerical number again we can write in the Roman numerical. Okay, this class is completed. Next class I will explain about the more few example of numerical to the Roman numbers, and if we give the Roman numbers, how to write the numerical forms. Okay children, thank you.